Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in the trade on Swiss franc JPY. We're in a live trade here. My lot size is 30 cent. I'm currently up quite a few pips. Just let you know, this is a trend continuation trade. So what I seen here was a strong bull move to the upside, as you can see. Very strong here, a lot of momentum, lots of momentum. We're talking about 200 to 300 pips up to the upside, and then once that happened, it created a high here. It's the most current high that you have on the chart. And that created that high, and the market started falling. So boom, it fell and started falling from here. Boom. So we know this is going to be becoming a large pullback in the upside movement. So right now, it made a bottom here. The market slowed down. This is the indications of the market slowing down. When it got here, it ran up, came down, and slowed down some more, came to the same area, ran up a little bit more, slowed down, but it came through and broke this area right here. But it broke down, and it tried to fake out a few people thinking it's going to continue to move to the downside. Came back up and broke it again, but now it's moved to the upside. Now it's starting to correct itself and go back into this trend pattern. So right now I'm in the trade and winning it right now. So that's what it is, y'all. My strategy works very well. Y'all continue to see it, on the charts in live markets. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.